Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have a really cool little lock. This is something I found on eBay and I was really excited to buy it because it's LOB, which it says a product of Poland, and LOB are an Assa Abloy brand, like many brands these days are, you know, so Ruco and Tessa and loads of other ones across Europe especially. But yeah, so to find one of the modern LOBs in the UK is relatively rare, so I just had to buy one of them. I like the look of this. It doesn't appear to be, it looks like it's powder coated iron or pot metal, but I've got a magnet and it just doesn't stick to it, so whatever it's made of, could be brass, sort of doubt it, but it could be. It's not magnetic. It has some keys which are like this, nothing too exciting there. Relatively flat bitting with a high number 3, 5 pins, and open it up. Now what I did notice is, and you probably can't see, but if can you see the spring down in here? Let me just turn the key a little bit. Can you see it move? That's not great design. The spring, when it pushes out when you open the lock, actually interferes with the locking mechanism at the back, which obviously just turns out of the way, probably in a semicircle, to free up this shackle here. It's a bit odd. The other odd thing about this is where the keyway is. It's on the bottom of the lock. It's usually on the side. Here is another shutter lock like this. You can see how the keyway is sort of 90 degrees on a different face of the lock. But all of that makes me like it more, and I like this sort of fluting here as well. I really like the aesthetics of the lock. It's really cool. It's got this little plate where obviously it covers up how they assembled the lock. Just really nice. But how does it hold up to picking? Well, I've got a turning tool here. Pop that in. Let's try a short hook of some kind. So I've got a little short hook, and let's have a go. So this is pin 3. Just trying to go through. That's 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, and we're open. That is not great. No spools, no serrations, just straight standard pins in this. Bit of a shame. Makes me think, can I lock it back up and rake it? So let's see. I've got my to hand. I've got my a boner. So I'm just going to put that in and see if we can't get into the keyway for one. There we go. And give this a little rake, and yeah, we are in again. So yeah, very, very low security lock, this one. But I still sort of love it. It's really nice to have something like this in my collection. It's just clearly, yeah, not all that. Well, anyway, I'm sure we all have locks in our collections that we really love despite their lack of security, especially as lock pickers and lock collectors. I hope you like this video. If you did, leave a like. If you have a comment about this lock, leave one below. Have you picked many LOBs? Are there more secure ones out there? Do let me know in the comments. I read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing to me because it really helps my channel out. And of course, I'll see you all next time.